The power of three. Marriage is awesome for those who uncover its hidden principles to discover its true purpose. Contents. Chapter 1. God's original plan. It's all about relational growth. Chapter 2. The very first marriage. Chapter 3. God's design and guide for men and the husband. Chapter 4. God's design and guide for women and the wife. Chapter 5. God's established designs and institutions and Satan's counterfeits. Chapter 6. What is love? Chapter 7. The true meaning of submit. Chapter 8. The foundation for a great relationship. Chapter 9. God's design before marriage and society's traps. Chapter 10. Beware of the U trap. Unaware, unprepared, unintentional, and untimely. Chapter 11. Why are relationships so difficult? Chapter 12. Wake up. The process used to lose oneself, hurt people, end marriages, and negatively impact generations. The D6 Matrix of Deception. Chapter 13. The power of three: spiritual, mental, and physical. Chapter 14. Unlocking the secrets of the power of three for personal growth and an awesome marriage. Chapter 15. Why is engaging the power of three important in marriage? Chapter 16. Obedience based on duty or obedience based on love? Chapter number 17. Recognizing God in your life for a better relationship and a stronger marriage. Chapter number 18. Biblical wisdom until your conversion. Chapter 19. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. On your journey, create a few plans.